Realme C67 launches in Pakistan. Snapdragon 685, fast 33W charging, and 108 megapixels camera. The Chinese manufacturer has finally introduced the Realme C67 to the Pakistani market. The phone seamlessly marries stylish aesthetics with high performance. Packed with some innovative camera tech, this new Realme model promises to redefine the entire budget smartphone category. Here's a brief overview of all its features. The Realme C67 commands attention with its 6.72-inch punch-hole display. With full HD+ resolution and a 90 Hz refresh rate, the phone's screen boasts an immersive visual experience. The strategically placed punch hole serves a dual purpose by keeping users informed with live notifications and taking occasional selfies. Certified with an IP54 rating, the Realme C67 stands resilient against dust and splashes. Its design takes a daring turn, embracing a boxy aesthetic complemented by a side-mounted power button, fingerprint scanner. The back, adorned with a distinctive pill-shaped camera module, exudes a premium look. Acclaimed as a photography powerhouse, the Realme C67 features a dual rear setup anchored by a mind-blowing 108 megapixels Samsung ISO CELL sensor and 3x in sensor zoom. The 8 megapixels front camera of the Realme budget new mobile ensures that selfies and video calls are on point. Fueling the Realme C67 is a 4G-enabled Snapdragon 685 processor, delivering a seamless experience. With 8GB of RAM and 128GB storage option, the device effortlessly juggles multitasking and storage needs. A standard 5000 mAh cell, rated for 33W fast charging, guarantees minimal downtime. Realme C67 enters the market with a compelling starting price of Rs. 52,999 for the 8 plus 128GB variant. Buyers can choose between the Sunny Oasis or Black Rock colorways for the C67 based on their lifestyle and design preferences.